Hi, I'm Rita Marie.
And I'm Hannah Marie.
I'm the mother.
And I'm the daughter.
And today we're going to school you
on this Thoughtful Thursday.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about how you can tackle all of the reading. So I'm assuming that you're a freshman in college and then you're been assigned, I guess, all the reading, so much reading that you are shocked. I was an English major.
I was an English major too, so
Right.
we have a little bit of a slightly different perspective, but we do know that a lot of students, you have typically about 5 classes and all of them require a lot of reading, like anywhere between about 20 to 50 pages a night or a week. Which can be a lot, along with looking at lectures and also attending class, different things. But you should view these as different opportunities to get the same information in different ways.
Right. So a lot of times your professor will give you maybe some PowerPoints. Of course, they give you lectures. You know, you need to attend class. I mean, that is bottom line, the most important thing. And then they'll assign, 8 chapters, that kind of thing. So you need to make sure PowerPoints definitely, lecture notes definitely, and then the book, the textbook, should be your backup. That's your support. You don't want to completely ignore that, but no, you don't have to read all 8 chapters, not word for word.
Yes, so know that you can skim some, but make sure you're getting the big points because a lot of that's going to be what's covered on your test and in your lecture. Also, during your lecture, make sure that you take extra notes if the professor ever emphasizes anything. So if they make a comment about something specific several times, underline that so that you know that that could be on the test because they're saying it multiple times for a reason.
Right. And then when you go to the textbook, because you do definitely want to go into the textbook, look at some of the headings, some of the sections that might have been confusing to you when it comes to the lecture, and then you can read those and take notes on those.
And then make sure, if you do have questions about the textbook, like what you're reading or during the lecture, make sure you email your professor or set up a meeting so that you can make sure that you actually know that information.
Right, because every professor is required to have office hours, so use them. I mean, they are sitting there waiting for you to make contact. So make the contact, make the appointment. You have to acknowledge that you need some help and then go ask for help. That's why they're there.
Yes, and try to recognize what your learning style is because you are receiving this information in 3 different ways by having a lecture, a PowerPoint, and the textbook, but maybe you need something different. So that's when you really should ask for your help from your professor.
Right, and then of course there's always the study group option. Find students that you feel like are on the same path as you are. They take it pretty seriously, they want to get a good grade in class, so find 2 or 3 students and then, schedule study group sessions. I mean, they can be very helpful.
Yeah, because that's just another opportunity for you to be able to talk with other people who might have the exact same questions that you're having.
Yeah, so hopefully this will help you tackle all of the reading that gets assigned in college.
But be sure to like and subscribe and leave comments if you have any extra suggestions on anything that would help students tackle this reading. Tell us what's worked for you. But make sure you like and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you next Thoughtful Thursday.
Bye.
Bye.